What's up, guys? Melanie Winston here. You see the chinchilla? You see it. This is going to be a different kind of video. I'm not really, I'm always going to be promoting MCA Motor Club of America, but today I want to talk to you about what it takes to win, having a winner's mindset in order to be successful with MCA. I get a lot of people reaching out to me, asking me different things. You know, I just had a young man reach out to me recently, yesterday I believe it was, and he told me that he was struggling in his MCA business. He wasn't getting any sales. You know, I asked, what I tell you I always ask, how long have you been at MCA? Please excuse the fact that my energy is like not super high. This is why I'm making this video. I'm not feeling well at all. Like I feel like I'm coming down with a cold. So I apologize for not giving you what I usually give you, the energy that I usually give you, right? I don't have it. I don't have it to give you, but I wanted to show up in my business, right? Because this is one of the things that it takes to win. Going back to the conversation I had with the young man yesterday, he was telling me that he was struggling to get sales in his MCA business, and he told me that he only been in MCA for a couple of weeks now. And when I hear people say, you know, I've been in MCA for a couple of weeks and I haven't got any sales, you know, I don't understand what's going on. One, if you're not using a Wi-Fi wealth system, really, and you're new, realistically, you're not going to make money in your first week. I mean, you can. It's been done before, but it's not something that's common, right? Because this is just different. You don't know what you don't know, and you have to learn a lot of things in order. Well, not a lot of things, but you have to learn a few skills to be profitable and have a successful business at MCA, right? And it takes time to pretty much cultivate those skills. So like I said, if you're not using a system like the Wi-Fi wealth system that does everything for you, then it's going to take some time. You're not going to necessarily get in your first 30 days. You may not get a sale. You may not get your first sale till after you're 60 days in. If you watch my channel regularly, you know a few days ago I made a video pretty much congratulating one of my own personal sign-ups, one of my good homies, Zaterica. I congratulated her on getting her first sale, and it took her some time to get that sale, right? But she was putting in the work daily. She was consistent in her business, right? She actually inspired me to make this video because her and I were in this 90-day video challenge, and we're only on the second day of it. And I'm already like, man, I'm not feeling good. But you know what? 2 weeks ago, Z actually had strep throat, right? And she was still making her videos, being consistent with them. So if she could step up and consistently build her business while she has strep throat, I feel like a little cold. I mean, I am sitting here with the chinchilla on in Florida, but I feel like a little cold shouldn't stop me. So I know you're probably thinking, well, what are some of the things that it takes to win at MCA? And the number one thing that it takes to win at MCA is a winning mindset, right? You have to have the mindset to win. Winners never quit and quitters never win. When you start thinking about the word quitting and throwing the word quitting out there, you're going to want to revert back to why you joined MCA. Why are you doing this? You know, even if it's just to make an extra, $500 a month, why would you stop? Why would you quit? It's going to take that winner's mindset to know that, okay, there are a lot of reps out here earning an extra $500 a month. There's no difference between me and them. The only difference is that they took the time to learn skill sets, right? Cultivate those skill sets and consistently apply those skill sets. So they're now getting the results. So again, what makes them different from you? Their mindset, the mindset to continue to go, the mindset that it doesn't matter if I've been in MCA for 5 months or 6 months and I haven't got a sale. I'm still showing up every single day doing what I need to do in my business. And if you don't know what it is that you need to do, then you need to invest in some training, right? Invest in some training, find you a mentor, find you somebody who's having some success, reach out to them. You can reach out to me. I'm willing to help you out, you know, but just reach out to people who have what you have. So it has to take a winner's mindset. Even when you don't feel like showing up in your business, like, you know, it's your business, right? No one told me to make this video. No one said, Melanie, get up out of the bed and go make a video. Well, somebody did. That somebody was myself, but I'm the only person that can tell me to do that. My girlfriend can tell me to do it, but it's going to take me and my winning mindset to get up and do it. Why? Because that's what winners do. That's what people who are successful in MCA do. They have the right mindset to keep going, no matter what trials, no matter what tribulations, no matter what circumstances may come up in their life, they continue going, right? Because whether I was doing MCA or not, I was probably gonna be sick, right? MCA didn't get me sick. So Life is going to continue to go on. I have to have my winner's mindset. My business is going to continue to go on. I'm always telling you all that people don't join MCA with you because it's MCA and they want to join it. Like, they join because they see your vision, they see your consistency, they see you're showing up and you're taking things serious. When I post this video on my YouTube channel and share it out to my social media sites, and you all watch this, you're going to know that, dang, Melanie was sick. If you follow me on Facebook, you saw that I put this morning that I was super tired. I'm pretty sure that has something to do with this, but you'll see that no matter how I'm feeling, I'm still doing what I need to do in my business. I have to do a video a day, right? Because this is one of the ways that I market, and that's a commitment that I made. So being committed to the commitment, having a winning mindset, being open to change, right? Being open to learning some new skills, being open to applying some new skills, being open to not quitting on your second or your third day in MCA, or even your second or third week. Now, if you're in this for a year and you still haven't made a dime and you've been working every day, then, you know, I get it. I don't even know if I could. I mean, I could if I put my mind to it. But if that's you and you're still here, I commend you, right? Because there's actually a girl on my team who's been with MCA for a year now. And before she started using the Wi-Fi wealth system, she had never got a sale. But she stuck with it. And guess what? Now she's getting multiple sales. So again, this is just a really brief video. What does it take to win at MCA? It takes a winning mindset. It takes you showing up for your business every day, no matter how you're feeling, no matter whether you feel like doing it or not, no matter if you have a list of things to do. It takes a couple of minutes to shoot the video, to upload it, to create the thumbnail, and to get your description entered and get your video uploaded. So whatever it is, maybe your commitment isn't, maybe you want marketing via video, in which, if you're going to be in this industry, I highly recommend video marketing, because video marketing is key, right? This is content that will be out here for years. The messages, the posts that you make on your social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, all of that stuff, that's going to come and go, you know, but this stuff is going to be here for years. People will be able to scroll back and see this video quicker than they'll be able to scroll back and see the post that I made today. So again, if you're not involved with like YouTube marketing or video marketing or creating content out there for your audience, then get outside of your comfort zone. That's another thing that it takes to be a winner here, right? You have to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. I wasn't always comfortable with making videos, you know. Sometimes I'm not comfortable. Sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel like I ramble, you know, but I'm just speaking from the heart. So I don't want to continue to ramble along. I hope you found some value here. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can be a subscriber, right? So you can get to know me a little more, so you can see more of my journey. Here shortly, I'm actually going to be switching up some of my videos to more vlog style videos, showing my life since I moved to Miami, just showing what MCA allows me to be able to do, the freedom that MCA allows me to be able to have, right? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you'll receive notifications when I upload these videos. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Go back and look at some of my other videos. You'll see that I'm usually like on 1,000, but today I'm just not feeling too well. So, and if you are just doing some research on MCA, trying to figure out if it's a legitimate company, trying to figure out if it's something that you want to get involved with, if you want to be on a winning team, if you want to join with a sponsor that's going to help you, I'm not going to hold your hand. What I will tell you is I'm not going to hold your hand. I'll give you the tools that you need to be successful, right? I'll give you the training that you need to be successful. I'll check up on you, and if you're not showing up in your business, I'm not going to continue to check on you, because why should I? That's wasting my time, right? So, but if you have a winner's mindset, if you're ready to win, if you're ready to join a winning team, if you're ready to join a supportive team, click the link in the description below. Go ahead and set up your free Wi-Fi wealth system, the system that I'll be teaching you how to use. Well, it trains you in itself, right? There's training included in it. Even if you're already an MCA rep, click the link in the description below, get the Wi-Fi wealth system, set up your Wi-Fi wealth system, and know that you have to be willing to learn something new. You have to be willing to do something new if you want something different. Again, thanks for checking me out. Melanie Winston, peace.